Good evening to all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain about basic concepts of JavaScript and Node.js. And now, first of all, let us try to learn about the basic concepts of JavaScript. And I am K. Jeshwant, studying second BTech in Vishnu Institute of Technology. And now I'm going to explain about the variables in JavaScript. Variables are used to store information that your program needs while it runs. So a variable is nothing but assigning single data values to a variable name. So in this way we assign some values to the variables. So we can access anywhere when we want to use them. Now let us try to see the by using let constant var, we align the values ls25 year to the variable names name, age, city. By using console.log, we printed the name, age, city. Here let us see the output. Yes, we can see the output ls25 New York. Here ls25 New York are printed because we printed name comma age comma city, so they are printed in the line wise. Now let us uh, let us try to know about conditional statements. Conditional statements help your program make decisions. These are useful for implementing a particular block when it is true or false based on the condition. So we use conditional statements to implement a particular block, whether if it is true then it is implemented, or if it is false it is not implemented. For example, let us take if else statements. If so consisting of some condition, if it is true then the statement present in the if block is implemented, otherwise the the print statement in else block will be implemented. In this way condition statements work. Okay, condition statement. See, so here we return if score greater than or equal to 90. If you are given we assigned 65 to the value to the variable name score. So here we are writing if score greater than or equal to 90, console.log excellent. If the score value is higher than 90, then excellent is printed, and if it is greater than or equal to, if it is below 90 and greater than or equal to 70, then good job is printed. And otherwise, if the two conditions fails, then it prints keep practicing. In this way condition statements are, and so loops loops are very much required for implementing particular blocks which are required. Suppose we want to print from 1 to 100, we cannot write everywhere like console.log print 1, print 2, print 3 line ways, but by using loop statements we can write in a single statement, single block, so we can print the values from 1 to 100. In this way we printed the uh, loop values. Now let us see the for loops. Here let numbers equal to 1 2 3 4 5. By using for loop, let I equal to 0, I less than numbers dot length I plus plus. So it is printing up to the number length, means the size of the array. So up to that it will be printed, I value will be printed. So here I is the index value. In this way 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 will be printed, so we can see the output. Okay, next uh, uh, arrays are like lists that help that in arrays we will store multiple data values of single data type. Like in suppose we take an array like fruits consists of apple, banana, uh, pomegranate, pineapple. In this way it consists of the data values. Okay, we can modify them, we can change them using indexes. Okay, and we if you want to access the particular value of array by using index values we can access them. So uh, we can see the code arrays.js. Banana, mango, console.log fruits of 0. Here apple will be printed because index value of apple is 0. And fruits push means we are adding orange value at the last of the array. And next we are printing for whole array series. Okay, now let us see the output. apple, okay, here apple, banana, mango, orange are printed. In this way, arrays functions means we all know that it is used as it is also known as code reusability. And we, if you want, suppose if you write an addition function, if you want to access that, if you want to access that from any suppose from main function, okay, if you want to access that, we should call that function by its name. So in this way functions are useful. Okay, now let us see the part of implementation of functions. Okay, by from VS Code, implementation of functions. Okay, function, we created the function greet by arguments using by argument name. Okay, here return hello console.log, we have printed the by using okay, functions. So in this way, function is called greet function by passing the argument alias parameter, and then it will be alias will be printed. Now let us see the output. Okay, hello alias. Okay, hello alias is printed. In this way functions will be executed. And next, let us try to learn about objects. And we have learned in Java about objects means, if you want to access some methods, we will create an object for that particular class so that we can access the objects. So in JavaScript, let us learn what are objects. Objects have store detailed information about one particular thing in a structured way. So this is the standard definition. So in this way objects will be accessed. And next, let us see an example code for objects. Okay, let user equal to, in we have written name, age, is admin. So okay, console.log user.name, same, it is like structures. So user.name, ls will be access. Okay, user.age equal, we are modifying the age value to 26. Console.log user, all the values will be printed. So let us see the output. Okay, here the output is, okay, no name, age, is admin false. Okay, these are all printed, and we can see the value 26 is printed because we have changed the value 25 to 26. So in this way objects are created. Now we have completed the JavaScript concepts. Now let us try to know about the Node.js concepts. What is Node.js? We can know, we all know that JavaScript is implemented in the web browsers by using HTML, like that. So if you want to implement outside the browser the JavaScript, we must use the compiling language like Node.js. So Node.js is useful for compiling the JavaScript outside the web browser. So this is known as Node.js. So this is the standard Node.js, and we can easily install Node.js in laptops or PCs, like Linux, Ubuntu, Windows, etc. So in this way Node.js will be installed. And now let us try to know what are callback functions. Okay, callback function is a function that's given to another function to be used later. It's like saying, when you are done with this task, run this other function next. Okay, this idea is very useful in programming when certain program functions will take time. After implementation of that function, this callback function will be executed. In this way callback functions are very much useful. Okay, because it is useful for how JavaScript and Node.js handle tasks smoothly without slowing everything down, especially in apps that deal with lots of data or requests. So, and now next topic is about installing packages in Node.js. Node.js has a built-in system called npm, which is also known as Node Package Manager. It is used for installing the packages in Node.js by running the commands npm installing the packages. So in this way we install the packages. So installing a package is simple, and once it added you can use it immediately in your project. This system saves a lot of time and lets developers focus on building features rather than reinventing common tools. So in this way, if you want to access some particular package, we just install them. Okay, in this way packages are installed. So Now let us try to know about the Telegram chat, how to create a Telegram bot. Like if you want to ask any movies for any movie download links, so in a Telegram chat will give the file, so we can download that. So in this way Telegram bot is useful. So now let us see the process of downloading the Telegram bot. Okay. Here I created the Telegram chatbot folder, and here bot program. This is the program I written for creating the bot program, and here I use a switch case. The logic is using switch case because if you want, I just wanted to give 1 to 4 numbers, so it would give random names for each number. For suppose case 1, if I give number 1 to the Telegram bot, it gives the name Satish, and if I give the 2 Funny, 3 Uday, 4 Jashwan, in this way the Telegram bot will work. So this is the basic program for writing Telegram, for creating Telegram bot. And now let us see the command prompt. Okay, now node or file name bot program.js. So the file will be run, and now let us see, but let us open the bot. Okay, we can see, first search the bot further. Any Telegram bot can be created using bot further. So I previously asked it to start and created the bot for bot. So now this is my bot. I created this bot. So I run the start button. So it gave me the command to send a number between 1 to 4. I just enter 1. It gives the name and 2. Okay, in this way it will give the names where I use a switch case. Suppose if you enter some random number, it does not give, it terminates and it starts from the beginning. So in this way I created the Telegram bot, and so that's all I want to say. Thanks for giving this opportunity.